Bubba, are you ready to go?
You got your bag?
You're all packed up?
Baby, we're children of summer. We're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the other. No reason to be.
Good morning, you guys. Okay, so this morning we went out and voted. First things first.
Yeah.
Sticker to prove it. I voted.
I voted.
And now we're heading out on our vacation. I'm so excited. You excited to go on a plane, Bug? Let's go. We're at the airport. We're going to security. Checked all of our luggage this time.
5 bags.
5 bags. Is it too heavy? You want to wear it? We should put it on you. And now we got to get to the plane. Okay, Bug, this is Papa's favorite thing about the airport. I love coming here and playing the arcade games. You want to drive? You want to do this one? Okay. Ready? Grab the wheel. Hey, Bug. Which one do you want? You want the shark? Let's see if we get it. We got it! The cow! Yay, get it! Good job! Yay! Oh, you really want that one? You want the ball? Okay. Papa win it for you? Okay, you do it. I'll have you do it. I love like spoiling her in these little arcades. It's so much fun. Did you show Mama? Oops, we accidentally won.
Great. Where is that gonna go?
I don't know. She's gonna have a blast with it though. There's your ball. Go get it. Come on, Junie. You wanna go on the plane? Let's
Like,
go.
hurry, Papa, you're going too slow. Keep going.
Large electronic devices such as laptops must be stowed prior to pushback.
Is this gonna work for us, Bug? You fit right in between us.
I hope she can see her.
I know.
Airplane. You're on an airplane. Do you think she knows you?
Yeah, I think so. I think she's smart enough.
This is an airplane, though. Here we go.
Here we go, Bug. We made it, Bug. Oh, pretty. Thank you, Jan. Oh, so great to be here. Aloha.
Aloha.
Woo!
We're in Hawaii.
Yeah. Riding like the locals. There is giant sea turtles right there.
They're all over.
Yeah, look at them. That is so cool. Isn't that so cool?
I literally can't believe it.
There's like 20 or 30 right here, just like sleeping, hanging out. Look at this guy. See, you saw sea turtles already. We just got here.
That's amazing.
That is so cool. We're probably gonna see way more. I want to swim with them. Yeah, which one's moving? I want to see him. Oh, here. He's about to move.
There's one.
He's moving.
Oh, that one just
There he
floated
goes.
in. Did you see that? Guys, I cannot believe we are here in Hawaii.
I know, we're gonna have so much fun.
excited.
It's gonna be so much fun.
I'm so excited.
I'm
but
exhausted.
We are so tired.
It's been a long day.
Yeah.
It was a long flight.
But we're here and we're
Yeah.
so excited to be here. We're gonna be here for a while. We're actually gonna be here for about a month. That's gonna be amazing. We have so many exciting things
Things to
planned.
explore.
It's gonna be an amazing, amazing month. And tomorrow we'll actually show you where we are at. We're gonna do a full house tour and show you the amazing place we're staying.
Yeah.
So.
That's it for tonight. Thumbs up if you like today's video.
Thumbs up for being in Hawaii.
Yeah.
It's my first time ever, and June's. You've been here once.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Be repeater.
Bye.